Vocabulary for advanced learners, English Hindi with examples. 1. Get down to brass tacks. Mool vishi par aana, asli baat par dhyan dena. Muhavra. After a long discussion, the manager finally said, let's get down to brass tacks and talk about the budget. 2. Hinge joint. Kunda jod, aisa jod jo ek hi disha mein mudta hai. The knee is a hinge joint that allows the leg to bend and straighten. 3. Panoply, Shandar Sangra ya Pradarshan. The museum displayed a panoply of ancient weapons and royal costumes. 4. Ballad, Lokgeet ya Kathageet. The singer sang a beautiful ballad about love and bravery. 5. Contemporary, Samkaleen Eki Samika. Shakespeare and Marlowe were contemporary writers of the Elizabethan age. 6. Sacrosanct, Paviter, Jise chheda na jaye. For many people, family traditions are sacrosanct and must be respected. 7. Refractory, Hati, Acha na manne wala. The teacher found it hard to manage the refractory student in the class. 8. Arrestee, giraftar vyakti. The arrestee was taken to the police station for questioning. 9. Mandate, Adesh, Adhikar ya Zimmedari. The government received a clear mandate from the people to continue its reforms. 10. Subsequent, Badka Pashchat Aane wala. He was promoted in the subsequent year after showing great performance.